In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for homework, a step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know how to set up your workspace, learn concepts instead of copying answers, and get targeted help on problems and essays while staying academically honest. Start by routing your academic material to the correct performance tier. Look for the Model Selection Framework dropdown at the very top of your chat window. Keep it on the instant tier when you need rapid, high-volume support. This is great for building study flashcards, generating quick vocabulary definitions, checking spelling and grammar on essays, or running basic unit conversions. You'll get speedy output that helps you move through repetitive tasks efficiently. When you hit heavier work, complex STEM assignments, or analytical research papers, switch to the thinking tier. This engine uses deeper reasoning to walk through multi-step physics equations, debug programming code, break down biochemical cycles, or evaluate dense historical themes. Choosing the tier up front saves time and ensures the AI matches the complexity of your task. Next, use a Socratic approach so you actually learn the concepts rather than chasing quick answers. Paste this prompt and customize the brackets with your topic. Act as an encouraging, expert academic tutor and Socratic educator. I am working on a homework assignment regarding insert topic, e.g., quadratic equations or cellular respiration. I do not want you to give me the direct answers to my problems. Instead, walk me through the foundational concepts step by step, ask me guiding questions to check my understanding, and give me a similar practice problem to solve so I can master the logic myself. As you work, respond in your own words, ask for clarification when needed, and tackle the practice problem before peeking at any hints. If you are completely stuck on a complex math, science, or engineering problem, use this to reverse engineer the method. Act as a university professor and academic coach. I am struggling to solve this specific problem. Insert homework problem here. Provide a highly detailed step-by-step breakdown of the exact formulas and rules required to solve it. Explain the underlying logic behind each transformation or step. Highlight the common mathematical pitfalls or calculation errors students make on this exact type of problem, and provide a clear checklist of steps I should follow to solve similar problems in the future. Paste the exact problem and request explanations you can reapply, not final answers to submit. For essays, strengthen structure and rigor. With this prompt, act as a strict academic editor, composition evaluator, and writing consultant. I am drafting an essay on the following topic. Insert essay topic/prompt. Here is my current rough text. Insert your draft text here. Critique my thesis statement for clarity and strength. Audit the logical flow between paragraphs. Point out where I need stronger source evidence, and provide 2 potential counter-arguments to my position that I should address to make my paper more objective and rigorous. Revise iteratively and integrate your own sources. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.